Namaste. Dear children, you must have watched my previous video based on MCQs on Chapter 1 Resources and Development. Today, in continuation of those MCQs, I am giving you some MCQs based on pictures given in Chapter 1 Resources and Development. One thing I want to tell you that all MCQs are based on NCERT book, and any small clipping or any information given in the box or any figure in the textbook and something written minutely on under that picture can be framed into a MCQ. So let's begin today the pictures based on chapter 1. Question number 1. In the given pie chart of land use of India, which of the following is not true about the land use pattern of India? Not true. Okay, please keep in mind. Option 1. The net sown area has decreased. The net sown area varies from region to region. The area under forest has decreased, and the area under permanent pasture is very low, which is not true about the land use pattern. See the picture carefully. That land use pattern has decreased. Yes. The land use pattern varies from one place to another. Yes. The area under forest has decreased. No. If you can see the both pie diagrams, you will see there is increase in area under forest cover. So option this one, the area under forest decreased, is the answer. Okay, this is not the land use pattern of not true about the land use pattern of India. Question 2 based on same figure. Which is the most satisfying feature of land use pattern of India? Is it forest or pasture or net sown area? Which is the most satisfying feature? We are happy with that feature. So forest, we are much below the required norms, that is 33%. Pasture, we know it has decreased and very less also. The net sown area, we are quite satisfied because almost 50% of the land is under net sown area in India. Okay, just opposite to this question. Which is not so satisfying feature of India? Net sown area or barren land or forests? So the answer is forests. Forests, we are not so satisfied in spite of increase in forest cover, but it is much lesser than required norms, which should be 33% of the country's land should be under forest. Question number 2. Based on second picture, look at the picture carefully. The division of soils into layers is called soil composition, soil formation, or soil profile. Yes, you are correct. The answer is soil profile. Question number 2, based on same figure, which layer of soil is rich in humus? Is it topsoil or subsoil or substratum? Which will be rich in humus? The top soil is rich in humus because in the top soil only there is more decayed, decomposed flora and fauna, plants and animals, residues. Picture number 3. Which soil is shown in the given picture? See picture carefully. Is it alluvial soil or laterite soil or black soil? I think you have guessed the right answer. It is black soil. Why it has developed deep cracks? Due to excessive irrigation, due to lack of irrigation, or due to hot weather? So the answer is due to very hot weather, it develops deep cracks. Next question. Look at the figure carefully. Name the soil. First of all, you should recognize the soil. If you have read your book carefully, if you have seen all the pictures of your book carefully, you must have recognized, is it alluvial soil, laterite soil, or black soil? The answer is, it is laterite soil. Number 2, based on same figure, this soil is formed due to process of, is it weathering, erosion, or leaching? So, if you have recognized the soil as laterite soil, so you must have given the answer that laterite L is formed by the process of L, leaching. Next question, next figure. Which type of soil erosion is shown in the given picture? Is it sheet erosion, or it is gully erosion, or glacial erosion? You can see the deep channels. This is a figure of gully erosion. This erosion is particularly caused by work of running water or fast blowing winds or moving glaciers. So the answer is work of running water. Okay, so I think you know the work of running water develops deep channels in the slopy areas, and this type of erosion is known as gully erosion, and it makes soil completely unfit for cultivation, which is also called bad lands. Next, which soil is shown in the given picture? Is it alluvial soil, laterite soil, black soil, or arid soil? So you can see that there is very less vegetation, 2-3 trees you can see in the picture. So it is arid soil, which is very sandy and saline in nature. Why vegetation is so sparse in this type of soil? It is due to less temperature, it is due to moderate temperature, or it is due to dry climate and high temperature. So why vegetation is less? It is due to dry climate and high temperature. Yes, next question. Please look at the figure. What is shown in the given picture? Is it soil formation, soil conservation, or soil erosion? So answer is soil erosion. What is the most destructive human factor responsible for soil erosion? Running water, fast blowing wind, or deforestation? Please read question carefully. I have asked human factor. So you can see in the options, running water is natural, fast blowing winds is natural. So deforestation is the only reason which is human factor. So answer is deforestation. Okay, so children, I hope these few questions which I have asked you on the basis of pictures, 100% I have covered all the pictures. Please go through it carefully, and I know if the question comes on these figures, you will be able to answer perfectly. Okay, so thank you so much. Have a wonderful day.